Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Jagmeet Kaur and in this video we are going to discuss about languages in Optimizely CMS. So let's get started. I am in the edit view of Optimizely CMS and open the home page. So I can see the components on it and the uh, preview of the page. So on the top I can see the languages. So I have option to select English or the other language. So whatever languages you have, they will appear here. Okay. So in order to add or remove any language, you have to go to settings. Then under the settings, you will have config. Under the config, you will find the languages. Here you will be able to see all the languages available, or you can add any other language if you want. Okay. So for example, there are multiple languages available. So that this German language, the Dutch language, is available here, but it's disabled. So let's go here, click on the more options and make it available. So now you can see it's no longer disabled. So let's go back to the edit option and check the home page. And we are able to see Dutch language here. So in this way, you can add or delete the languages by going into the settings and the languages. So the next option in under the config, we can say edit tabs. So what are tabs? Let's first understand that. So I clicked on the content types and here I can see multiple content types. So let's open one of those. So when you open this, so we are having a title property here. And on the top of the title, you will be able to see the property group. The property group name is content. Or whenever you create a new property, so you have to provide couple of options here. And if you scroll down, you will be able to see the property group in which it belongs. So these are nothing but the tabs. Okay. So let's go back to our options in the settings. If you click, you can create your own tab by going here like create tab. So all the information will be available here for all the available tabs that we have. The names, the display name, the sort order of these required access level, what's access level, from are they from the code or created here, so you can create the custom from the code, right? And there are other options here to edit these. Let's click on one of them. So for example, there is no display option. I'm going to put the same here, so we are able to see the display name here. There is a search available here. You can search the tab that you want. Or if you scroll down, so you will be able to see the rows per page. So you can increase or decrease this. For now, we are having just 25. So that's it for the languages and tabs in Optimizely CMS. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are interested in more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.